J, make 9 today. Here's what I have to say. Let's see what the make 9s are made here. Hey, hey.
Hi, I'm Stacey J and this is my studio, and welcome. Welcome back to anybody who has been watching me. Welcome to anybody that's new. Welcome to anybody that is new-ish, that has joined me in the last week. I'd like to say thank you and welcome. I am here today. I normally like to do a sit-down Sunday, but I'm going to make it for tomorrow, today. I think we all know, if you know me, I say today is tomorrow, tomorrow, today, and all that sort of jazz. Now, today is a Sunday, but I want to talk to you about my make 9s, which is usually going to be on a Monday. I am doing my make 9s in a different way. I've spoken briefly about it. I'm just trying to get the camera at such a good angle. Get my good side. Anyway, I am just going to show you what I mean by my different way. Now, last year I got through 6 of my 9 and I was down 2. 3. Okay, Sunday's not a good day for maths. I think the last time I spoke to you wasn't a good day for maths either. Okay, so what I wanted to do this time was I have actually recently bought a bit of a haul of patterns, and there are 2 of categories, so which means it's like 2 jackets, there's 2 coats, there's 2 etc. I haven't found every category I want to cover this particular year, but you guys are going to help me choose what I'm going to make with my make 9s. So it's going to be our make 9s. How does that sound? A little bit better. So I'm going to give you 2 patterns of the same category, and you're going to vote on which one you're going to do. And I'm going to do that one at a time. I've stuck something on the fence to stop the dog seeing through the fence and barking like crazy beasts at, well, usually nothing. But anyway, I digress. So what I want to talk to you about is I've got some ideas of what I want to use. So I am going to just flash through. This is what I have sort of selected, still making some more double up of items so that we can go through the whole lot one at a time. Now I have decided, now my glasses do not match my Armadale dress by Stylark. I love this dress. I think this dress is just absolutely gorgeous. Really suits my figure because I've been big busted, high-waisted and no hips. Apparently no idea how to keep a ring on my finger, so it comes in under the bust. I don't like how the buttons go up and down, buttonholes, but that's on me. I normally change it, but this is my Armadale. This was made from a Wheel of Fate fabric last year, and I adore it. Adore. So much so that I'm going to make more. Have I yet? No, I haven't. 1 second, I'm going to pick that ring up. Okay, so put it on, hopefully it'll stay on. I'm a bit chilly, so my fingers are a little bit smaller than apparently everyone says. It's really muggy here at the minute. I'm chilly willy. Anyway, that's the story of my life, okay, being cold. Even Chris is, how can you be cold? Easy, not warm. Right, so at the minute I have got 2 bag patterns. Now, I buy all my bag patterns from Indie Patterns. I've got a lot of Swoon, but I do buy mostly Indie Patterns. So I went out of my way because they were $5. Remember, I got on the other day, all my patterns I got were $5 each. $5, $5. Now I have 2 bags. I like C in this one. Okay, that one there, I quite like that. Look at that bag. This is the pattern piece, so it's not really showing you much, but quite like C in that. I should actually put a mark. I'm going to use this pen. It's a heat erasable pen, so I can actually erase it after, because I don't like to mark my patterns. I trace my patterns. If anyone doesn't know what I do, I trace them. I trace. Hate it. It is the most tedious job in the world. But I trace because I fluctuate. And I believe the one I liked of this one, which is McCalls M8307, is D down the bottom there. I quite like that. I don't like the tassels. Okay. I'm not a frilly girl, but I don't like the tassels. So this is the next one because I want to mark. So far those two. Now, like I said, we're going to go through them later. I just want to just touch base and get a feel for what you think of my plan to do. Now, the other thing I did get is 2 coats. Okay, coat, not a jacket. It is an outer. So I got these 2. Know Me, which is ME2139. Okay, it also comes with that little under hoodie. Here's the line drawing. Okay, I quite like that. I like long coats, like the Australian Dryzerbone. I quite like those. We have one here, the Swanee, but this, do we have them quite long? I just like the flow of them. I feel like a cowboy. So I quite like that one. Now, double-breasted isn't always the best for me, being a big busted, high-waisted girl, but one can only assume that I can make it fit in and give me a waist. The other one is quite a standard, no button, no closure. I would probably put a closure on it because when I get cold in winter, I get cold in winter. So the other one is the New Look 6585, and there is the line drawing. So those are the 2 coats that I had planned on. Now, as I spoke to you guys the other week, lover of this pattern, because I got 4 of them. Every household needs 4 of these patterns, 2 of each size. So I did think of the B. Okay, a little short-waisted one, comes down, nice little jacket. There's our little line drawings, tiny little line drawings. But I did think of D. I'll put a little mark next to D. B for Barb. And this one actually looks very much like the Harriet. Now I've made the Harriet. I do have some gorgeous fabric from Julie over in Australia. She sent it to me. It's on my precious fabric list, and I could see that. So it would be out of the 2 of these. Now Julie from Julie Sews Her Own Clothes has my original pattern of this, but I think it was a bit after I sent it to her. I thought, oh, I really want to make those pants again. Now I've made the pants, so now I've got the pattern again that I might, yeah. She's probably too big for her actually because she's petite. Okay, right. I've got a couple of dresses. Now all these patterns thus far, were purchased the other day. Now this is a little fabric gobbler-upper. And I would definitely make the longer dress. Okay, this is a Vogue V1644. There is our line drawing, and there is a lot of fabric in that. So the fabric in that robe B, I'm saying 6.3 meters. Now I possibly have 6.3 meters of a particular fabric in the vault, but do not know off the top of my head. And the other one, I almost want you to vote for it, but not vote for it. I bought that. Okay, so it is a New Look N6718. And I don't know if I like it, how it's got this little, makes me, I mean, like, I need everything to keep my girls upright nowadays, and that just looks like it could make them look knee length. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying. You're picking up what I'm putting down. But I do like the fact that it goes over my hips, all over her hips, right down to there. And it's about there I don't mind adding, because my bust and my waist are like up here. So yes, do like that. Now, I know that when I said that Mum said these, I know that I said that when Mum said that these look like pajamas. I absolutely adore them, not as pajamas, as something to wear out, because I really don't care what people think of what I'm wearing. I care what I think of what I'm wearing. And if I wear something that's a bit out there, I own it. I mean, so this is one, Butterick B7045. I can see where possibly you'd think it was looks like pajamas, but I think it is so pretty. okay. It's very much balloon sleeve, and what's the one from Stylark? The starts with Z. I'm not going to remember it, and I'll forget to put it on here because at the minute I'm just going through plopping my stuff on because it's faster, better, easier to do that with my vlogging. But I do adore that. I do adore it. And in the snap side of that, so what it would be competing with is Butterick B7028. Classy. Notice they both are wide leg pants. Okay, this is a narrow, they both got narrow waistband. This is like a princess seamed top. Here's my little line drawings. Okay, so those are the two of the pantsuit. So that's 1, the pantsuits, 2, the dresses, 3, the jackets, 4 of the coats, and 5 of the bags. Now, so that is saying 5. So I need to find 4 more things. Yeah. Okay, so there is 4 more things. Now, I might very well put something on. I'm just going to think, today we're in summer. It's been warm for 2 days. So, we're currently apparently summer. We were joking with my friend who lives in Canungra in Aussie. She's sweating up a storm. She lives off grid. I think I might have told you about it when we went and stayed with her when we were in Brizzy, and so it's like dark at 5:30, and her little solar lights were at the end, or solar panels were at the end of their life. They need to be revamped, and so it was dark at 6, so we went to bed. Yes. So she is sweating over there, and Christopher reckons our winter's getting warmer, which means that we could just sit on a 16 degrees all year round. And that's not happening. I mean, I would love to move to Aussie, and it might be just for the weather. But I grew up there, and I thoroughly enjoyed my 3 weeks I was there in Australia. Crazy traffic, but then I did my service time in Sydney, so you know what, I know crazy traffic. Auckland's not always so great either. Right, so that's what I have decided to do for my Make 9s. So what I might actually do, no, I haven't picked what I want to make first, and I think that's where we need to get to ASAP, is that so I can pop 2 up, and it'll go onto the community board. I might do a little short to say, hey everybody, check out the community board, jump on there, vote for my item. You've got until this day, and I'll be making the item that is most popular. Now, yes, they're going to be items I want to make. Okay, no, not devastated if I don't make the other item. I will and can make that at my own in my own time, but I definitely need to pull finger out and get this started, get the party started. And yeah, so that's what I wanted to talk to you about. That's how I'm going forward with my Make 9s. Drop a comment down below, send me a heart if you want and don't want to comment so much. That'd be fantastic. But if you can drop that down, it'll be a Make 9s little titles. So that's what I want to talk about, and that's what I wanted to get off my chest. Tell me if you think it is a great idea, and if we can move forward and do that. I just need to find 4 more things. On drop down what else I can just pop up there, because my whole brain's going, okay, pants, skirt, got a dress, you know. Just so if you've got any ideas of what else I can add to this mix, let me know. I do have an obscene amount of patterns, but these are just new ones that I thought I would just throw them out there. So yeah, let's get that started. So I'm going to let you go now. I'm going to go and see what Mr. Christopher is up to, and hopefully he's had a shower. He's been standing downstairs bathroom for Victoria. Victoria's with her dad at the minute, so we've got, like, there's nothing worse than having a teenage child. She's 19. Yep, she's still a teenager. asleep when you want to get in there and start sanding the bajingas out of something, and it is right there beside the head of the bed basically. So not having her here is yuck, but not having her here when we can work on whatever time you want on there is way better, or whatever time Mr. Christopher wants to work on it. That's much better. I like that. Okay everyone, I want you to stay well, stay warm, stay dry, keep cool, keep on sewing, hydrate, have no regrets. I'm thinking, nah, ain't got none. And save face. Wherever you are, save face. I'll catch you guys next time I'm looking at you. See you later. Bye.
Subscribe, like, and share, just to let me know that you care.